Tension gripped Bhubaneswar late Friday night after a group of suspended youth and student leaders of the Biju Janata Dal allegedly created a ruckus outside the residence of senior leader Pratap Jaina. The incident occurred just hours after the party suspended several leaders over alleged anti-party activities. Eyewitnesses said the group gathered outside Jaina's house, burst firecrackers and raised slogans, triggering panic in the area. Trouble escalated when family members objected to the disturbance, leading to an altercation. Allegations have also surfaced that some individuals were assaulted during the confrontation. Earlier in the day, 3 youth leaders and 7 student leaders were suspended, with an official notice issued under Jaina's signature. The late-night unrest is being linked to the fallout of this disciplinary action. Jaina later shared a video on social media alleging that 15 to 20 intoxicated miscreants forcibly entered his residence and threatened security personnel at gunpoint. He claimed his family was inside at the time and termed the incident as not just an attack but armed terror. The senior leader has urged Chief Minister Mohan Charmaji and the Director General of Police to take immediate action, raising concerns over law and order in the state capital. Police have yet to issue an official statement and further investigation is underway.
काली मु महांगारे थिली आमर विभिन्न कार्यक्रम थिला मु राति विलंब राति रे फेरली एवं मु राति 11टा 11:30 बेलू किछि पिला प्राय 15-20 जन पिला जो माने आसिकी एठी हालागुला करिबा अभद्र भाषा रे गाली गुलज करिबा एवं आम सिक्यूरिटी को बाड़ेबा ता मुंडरे बंदूक लगेबा ताकू बाड़ेबा एवं आमर आउ गोटे पिला घरे जी रुहे ताकू मध्य बाड़ेबा एवं आम कैंपस भितर को आसिकी कबाट जबरदस्ती खोलिकी कैंपस भितर को आसिकी गाली गुलज करवा विभिन्न प्रकार पाटितुंड करवा आम 2 जन को बाड़ेबा सिक्यूरिटी पिला थिला ताकू बाड़ेइचंती एवं आम घरर गोटे पिला को भी बाड़ेइचंती जोटा वीडियो रे भी अछि एवं वीडियो रे भी अछि कि को माने आस्तिले एवं ता भितर आपण देखिबे सेतिरु बीजेपी रो किछि पिला थिले एवं जो माने सस्पेंड होइचंदी सेमान के भितर थिले सेमाने आसिकी विभिन्न प्रकार गाली गुलज धमक देकी कि आमे फायरिंग कर देबू जीवन रु मारी देबू एपरी भाव में सब विभिन्न प्रकार कथा कहीकि जाइछंती ए कथा में पुलिस रो दृष्टि आकर्षण कलु एफआईआर भी दिया जाइछि पुलिस कहिचंती कि ए विषय निश्चित भाव में सेमाने किछि ना किछि कार्यानुष्ठान नेबे।